industrial clients often face significant challenges in the event of damage. My name is Martin Seifert. I'm the deputy head of the drying department at the engineering firm Tobias Ritzer in Schwabach. We are a specialist company for fire and water damage restoration, operating across Bavaria with 6 branches and nationwide through our dedicated major loss division. Our clients, especially in the industrial sector, face major challenges in the event of damage, as they must avoid prolonged production downtime and may face significant demolition risks. In the event of damage, we support our clients, especially when a fire or water incident threatens to bring operations to a standstill. That's why we take samples from various damage sites on site and place them in ovens to determine moisture levels and assess whether the material can still be salvaged, if it can still be dried using our special drying process, or if we really have to fully dismantle the damaged parts. We chose the drying ovens from Memmert because, in our opinion, they are the most reliable and best on the market, thanks to the temperature distribution and performance. These drying ovens must run at varying temperatures, as each building material requires specific heating. For example, some types of screed are gypsum-based and cannot be exposed to high temperatures, as they may lose their properties or even burn, which could distort the accuracy of the analysis. Most samples, however, are cement-based and have a higher density, which means they can be heated at higher temperatures to accurately determine the residual moisture content. Thanks to the new development by Memmert and their myChamber monitoring app, we can now continuously monitor whether the temperature in our ovens remains within the specified standard range, both directly on site and remotely at any time. We are now able to prove with 100% certainty that the sample was heated for 24 hours without any temperature loss or interruption. Even ovens over 10 years old can now be retrofitted and made smart. The app also eliminates the need for our daily inspection rounds in the lab. Without the app, an unnoticed power outage overnight would have gone completely undetected. With the drying ovens from Memmert and the myChamber monitoring app, we have a solution that combines precision, reliability, and full digital control.